Imagine you're building a client intake form for your business. You want users to upload their documents, contracts, IDs, even profile pictures, and most importantly, you want those uploads to stay organized. That's where File Renamer for WPForms steps in. Let's head to the backend to start setting things up. You want profile photos from users to be saved directly into the WordPress media library. So, in the File Upload field settings, we enable the Upload to Media Library option. Now for the fun part, naming these files properly. Under the File Rename template, we use a smart tag, for example, the user's name, and append it with profile word. So the uploaded file becomes something like janedoeprofile.jpg. Some of you might still be using the classic file upload field. No worries, File Renamer supports both classic and modern file upload fields. Now your form also needs to collect multiple documents. We'll enable multiple files mode for the file upload field. WPForms handles the upload part, and File Renamer takes over to rename each file using your custom template. In this example, we're combining the original file name with the user's name. Now, let's test the form from the front end. We upload a profile picture and a few documents. Then submit the form. In the WPForms entries, you can clearly see the rename files, just as we set in the File Rename template. Neat, readable, and perfectly organized. The profile photo is in the media library with the correct name. File Renamer for WPForms keeps your file uploads clean, structured, and professional. It's not just renaming, it's control, clarity, and peace of mind.